Hello and welcome to Global Logistics and Transport News. I'm Natasha Kaplinski. There's a saying you're probably familiar with: the customer is always right. Well, in 2014, we're on the edge of a consumer revolution as tech-savvy customers increasingly use online and mobile platforms to ship products direct to their doors. This programme explores in depth the demand for next-day delivery and free delivery, the omni-channel shopper, what the future might hold, and why the transport and logistics sector is the driving force of the UK's economy. Coming up, the Formula One technology that's helping fleet performance.
Formula One, of course, is the leading edge of tyre development, and obviously that links into what we do with all our products.
Unveiling the future, why bigger means better in Southampton. And working together, how big and small players are combining forces. Being an island, sea transport is vital to the UK. Nearly 100 million tonnes of freight is currently moved by sea in the UK alone, and a huge amount of that cargo finds its way through Peel ports. With their own shipping lines and service ports, they offer a complete distribution and logistics service. In this report, we look at just how it's done.
The Port of Liverpool and the Manchester Ship Canal have been used to transport goods all over the world since the Industrial Revolution. Today, they still form a key trade gateway for the UK. But these days, rather than textiles being traded, it's now a hugely diverse range of goods, everything from cars and pharmaceutical products to baked beans and wine. Peel Ports is one of the largest port groups in the UK, handling more than 1 million containers every year. It has owned the Port of Liverpool for the last decade. The group is in a unique position with its own shipping line and connects to ports across the Irish Sea. It's an innovative operation and business is flourishing. The Port of Liverpool handles 33 million tonnes of goods every year, and the Manchester Ship Canal a further 7 million.
Within 150 miles radius of Liverpool, if you include the UK and Ireland, 65% of the population density is within that radius, and particularly if you look at the major conurbations of Liverpool, Manchester, Leeds, that corridor, that connectivity is very, very strong. We really are ideally placed to serve both the import and export market of the UK.
As growth is so rapid, Peel Ports is investing £300 million in a new state-of-the-art deep-water container terminal, Liverpool 2. This will be capable of handling 95% of the world's container vessels.
In the UK, very much today, the density of deep-water container terminals are really in the southeast and the south of the UK. If you actually look at the population density, it's very, very clear that the market demand for both import and export is centrally located. So really Liverpool 2 has been built in response to that market, and indeed bringing that deep water capability into the centre of the UK, closer to market, closer to warehousing, closer to distribution.
The majority of Peel Ports customers have been on board since the beginning, enticed by the numerous benefits of shipping by water. The company has 4 million square feet of space here on the port estate in Liverpool, from traditional warehouses to manufacturing plants. It all helps to make the supply chain more efficient.
Our partnership with Peel Ports works very well in our business because although we are a UK-wide business, we find that the gateway into the centre of the UK is best served through the Port of Liverpool. We have seen in the last 4 years significant growth in turnover, footprint and particularly job creation, and it is all based on the investment and the improvements in the Port of Liverpool.
At one point in history, 40% of all world trade passed through Liverpool. Peel Ports is now committed to a sustainable future, reducing the impact of road transport and creating a unique deep-water container terminal for the 21st century.
The important thing is that As a business, we are very happy to invest in this region for the future, because we know that the investment that Peel Ports are making in Liverpool too and down the Manchester Ship Canal will create many opportunities for our business.
At Peel Ports, we really do focus on our customer. It's really all about providing those logistic solutions, responding in a timely way and driving that value.
Peel Ports is far from simply a port operator. It's about logistics, sustainability and ensuring an efficient and prosperous future for its customers.
A fleet manager needs to run their business in the most cost-effective way to improve service, respecting the environment and always ensuring safety. By providing maximum performance, mileage and economy, and with over 100 years in production, Pirelli truck tyres and their fleet management systems can help fleets effectively manage their costs and improve customer service. Sasha Herriman went on the road to find out.
It's Stuart Brunt from Brit European Transport. Got a tyre breakdown for you.
Taking a call to arrange a new tyre fitting, speed and efficiency, that's the essence of transport and logistics. In this industry, time is money.
He's got a puncture on the near side front.
Business transport managers need to run their fleets in a cost and time efficient way to keep their trucks on the road. And keeping them moving means quality tyres. That's why when a vehicle from Stuart's fleet from Brit European Transport needs new tyres, he can count on Pirelli. The companies have a 40-year relationship.
We enjoy working with Pirelli. We think that their product is right for our company. We have a varied selection of vehicles and different operations, which brings along a large selection of tyre sizes, and Pirelli, they meet all our requirements.
I've replaced it with a new Pirelli FH01.
Pirelli use an efficient computer management system to help customers like Brit European manage their tyres and get them changed quickly.
We have a Pirelli fleet management system. This is a web-based system which actually allows the fleet to be in control of their costs, to authorise jobs to be done on the system, and also allows all the management information to be visible at any time to see how much they've spent per vehicle, per location, so they can actually manage their costs without having to record it themselves. And then we will invoice the fleet for the services that we've provided.
Plus, they can now offer the latest road technology too, the Cyberfleet sensor.
Cyberfleet is a product that we put inside the tyre, and it's actually a sensor that measures the temperature and the pressure of a tyre. Currently we use a handheld reader which will allow us to measure all the pressures on the vehicle in one go.
This simple reader can get all the data the tyre fitter needs quickly without even having to open a valve.
When they do a fleet check on the vehicle, we can use the cyber sensor monitoring system, which allows us to check the pressure.
Pirelli is a company with a track record of over 100 years in quality road products. That quality and innovation brings better mileage per tyre, plus fuel economy benefits, all helping transport fleets keep the costs down. Plus, the company's research, development and data gathering from its Formula One heritage gives Pirelli the unique benefit of that information on tyre technology, including performance, compounds and casing integrity.
Formula One, of course, is the leading edge of tyre development, and obviously that links into what we do with all our products.
And Pirelli offer premium products. They're the first company in the world to introduce a AA rated tyre. Plus, they're among market leaders in the EU for fuel efficiency, rolling resistance, wet grip and noise making. And that means improved mileage and safety, which brings a return on the investment for the customer.
It's the management that they do of the tyres as well, so we check for the correct inflation of the tyres. Pirelli will come out and have their agent do that for us, which means that we're getting longer life out of the tyres, we're getting better fuel economy, and they'll also check for damage, so there's a safety aspect as well.
They're a product that we can rely on. It's quality for money. We look at it as a safety issue as well, and we find that we get all that with Pirelli.
It's about an integrated approach, the right product with proactive tyre management, helping fleets manage costs and minimise downtime. Another fitting completed, the old tyre can be recycled, retreaded and used on vehicles again. Meanwhile, for Pirelli, another tyre on the road that can be monitored and managed for the benefit of their customers with a minimum of waste and a maximum of efficiency.
In logistics, time means money. That's why Associated British Ports and DP World Southampton have worked together to bring the latest in innovation and technology to their new terminal. With over £100 million invested in capacity expansion at Southampton's container terminal, the port is at the forefront of efficiency for Europe, handling over 1 million containers a year. Nick Thatcher went to Southampton to see the new berth, SCT5, unveiled.
The world's container ships are getting larger and deeper, and Southampton's container port is expanding to accommodate them. This new £100 million berth now provides the port's customers with nearly 2 kilometres of deep-sea quay, as well as 16 state-of-the-art cranes, and will ensure the terminal continues to be the best in Britain for efficiency and service.
This is a project that is some 5 years in the making. It means an enormous amount to us. This is an investment that ensures that Southampton remains in the Premier League of container ports in the UK. This is the most efficient container port in Europe, and investment like this will ensure that it remains and holds that position.
That's it, Ben. Back towards me, please.
At the official opening of the new berth, 4-time Olympic gold medalist Sir Ben Ainsley helped load a golden container onto the Marco Polo, one of the biggest ships in the world. Southampton already turns around vessels like this faster than any other UK port, regularly moving containers on and off ships in excess of 30 moves per hour. Investment in GPS technology means customers can keep track of cargo from ship to shore, and with improved teamwork on the ground, productivity has increased by 30% within 3 years.
It's absolutely important that the people, the systems and the equipment are all integrated together. With the GPS system, for example, what we did there is we involved the workforce right from the very beginning. They were involved in the original design, and that had 2 benefits. Firstly, these are the guys doing the job, so they know exactly what needs to be done. And secondly, when the system went live, it was their system, so it wasn't just another management initiative.
Southampton prides itself on working closely with customers so they can manage their own supply chains. Dedicated road transfer areas provide guaranteed landside turnaround times that average below 30 minutes. And the port also provides the most reliable rail feed service, with 99.9% of containers loaded on trains exactly when expected.
It's all about our customers and the wonderful development here in Southampton that enables us to bring vessels such as the Marco Polo into Southampton with a higher degree of confidence. The more flexibility we have to bring our container vessels in ultimately gives us an ability to deliver a more robust product to our customers. So on-time arrival in the quay, access to world-class infrastructure, rail and roadway, gives our customers a better service.
The port is very much a part of that sort of seamless service package we provide to our clients, and it's a very complex network that involves feeders, mainline vessels, truckers and rail operators. So Southampton for us delivers a very good connectivity to our main markets. It's got the intermodal infrastructure as well that we require. So it's that combination and the connectivity that Southampton provides for us that gives it its greatest appeal.
Huge amounts of investment have gone into setting this new gold standard for Southampton. As Britain's leading port and one of the great gateways to the world, it already handles more than 1 million containers a year, and now can continue to stay at the forefront of the container market, responding to and meeting the changing global supply chain needs of shippers in the 21st century.
There's fierce competition in the pallet network sector. It's driving prices down at a time when volumes are at record highs. But one company is a standout force. Pallet Line are used to being innovators in the industry, having helped revolutionise freight delivery in the past. Their latest development, Plus Logistics, is set to have just as much impact. As Edward Barron discovered, working together as a partnership opens up new opportunities to drive growth.
Pallet Line is the name behind a highly respected national network of award-winning hauliers. 2 decades ago, the company revolutionised the way palletised freight was moved around the country with the implementation of the now familiar hub and spoke operation. For the first time, this allowed small hauliers to offer a nationwide pallet delivery service. Now, it's taking another huge leap forward.
The next stage in the evolution of Pallet Line is the introduction of Plus Logistics. This will offer a full range of supply chain solutions, opening up many more opportunities. It'll be the first of its kind, a logistics collaboration with members working together across 79 sites in the UK and Europe.
Owned by its members, Plus Logistics is a new brand and a new force in the market.
Plus Logistics is an extension of the collaboration that existed within Pallet Line. It's about allowing regional haulage businesses to punch above their weight by working together to create a larger organisation collectively than they could individually, and therefore touch customers that they wouldn't be able to do as individual organisations.
Naturally enough, Plus Logistics will benefit from the vast experience of its member organisations. A central sales and operations team will represent the group, promoting a whole new range of logistics solutions sold in addition to the existing palletised services. Founder member Ken Hackling explains why the fresh approach makes so much sense.
One of the main advantages of Plus Logistics will be that it will give us the ability to take on additional contracts, or contracts that we were unable to take on as individual depots. I think it gives us a lot of scope to better where we're currently at.
Nick Smith's forklift truck company has been doing business with the team at Plus Logistics for 3 years. He explained why he works with them time and again.
Once we're in, we feel very much part of the family, and I think that commitment, again, to the employees, to the customers, to the supply chain, means that we can collaborate. And in a very simple scenario, if a supplier can do more business for Plus Logistics, they in turn get better rates. It's a win-win, and that's really the whole thing for Plus Logistics, win-win.
Of course, the team managing the complex chain here at the Birmingham hub keep it going in all weathers and at all hours. Among them, night operations manager Dick Mason.
I think it's a buzz, and that buzz is achieved through the camaraderie and friendship, the pride and the passion, and the teamwork above all that enables us to bring about a complete and successful solution.
And those successful solutions are set to continue. Plus Logistics will be able to provide a fast response and a robust network solution that will be cost effective, proving once and for all the power of partnership.
Well, that's all for now from Global Logistics and Transport News. We hope you found it insightful. For more information and a chance to watch it again, please visit transportnews.itn.co.uk. But for me and the rest of the team, goodbye.